Hey awesome learners, welcome to Smart Tools. In this series of tutorials, we are exploring Flask basics. On the way, we have developed a beautiful portfolio application for our own portfolio application. I hope you have edited the image, you have edited your name, email ID, contact and every pages. Okay. So in this video, I am going to discuss about how you can host it for free. Okay, so before going to hosting that, let me just make you understand what we are going to do and why we are going to do that. Look, this is the local server. Okay, where this application is now available in local server. If any other means one of your friend ask you where is your application, so you can give this link to him and say him that just open it on your system. Okay, it is not going to open to his system because it is only stored in your local file. Okay, so after developing an application, we should host it something there. We should we should place that in a universal repository, that is a server. Okay, so how we are going to place our website to server? I have just explored a some new platform where we can host our application, host this website for free. That is, I am going to use Python Anywhere. Okay, so Python Anywhere. After coming to Python Anywhere, you will look, this is a login screen where you are going to enter your email address and password and login. But if you have not created any Python Anywhere account, just click on sign up here and sign up. Okay, next we are going to proceed to dashboard. I'm just going to log in for now, and after that I will proceed to dashboard. Okay, this is our dashboard. Inside dashboard, you will mainly see four columns. First is consoles. Here, all the consoles you have used are going to show. Then the files, where all the file listed over here. Notebooks. This provides Jupyter Notebook to for your use, but you can't use Jupyter Notebook for now because you are in free account. If you upgrade your account to maybe beginner, default or hacker, then you are going to get Jupyter Notebook. So finally, web apps. Here we are going to concern. So we are going to create a web app. You don't have any web app, so open web tab. Okay, we are going to open the web tab. This is web tab. We are going to add a new web app. Okay, when you have clicked add a new web app, it's showing that your account doesn't support domain names because it's a free account. So Python Anywhere web app will live at smarttut012.pythonanywhere.com. Smarttut012 is my username. Okay, so remember, choose your username. That should be your first your domain. Means you are going to, so look what happened, our website is going to live at smarttut012@pythonanywhere.com. If your name is something called john.pythonanywhere.com, that will be suitable for you, or else ramsarma.pythonanywhere.com. Okay, that's cool. Or else if you want to just if you want that my name should be ram.com, so for that you have to first upgrade your account to hacker or something else, and you will eligible to use default domains. Okay, use your custom domains. This is a default domain. I will suggest just use this default domain for now, custom domain for now, means default. Okay, now we are going to hit next, and for now we are going to this is a list of whichever platform we can use. So for now we are going to use Flask. Okay, so we have written Flask in Python 3.6, so I will hit Python 3.6, and my file will be flaskapp.py. For now flaskapp.py will be cool, and just let me hit next. Okay, my website has been created, so I can access my website by clicking on here. Okay, we have we get this hello message. Okay, so now our job is to this is the hello world app, how we are going to make our app to visible here. Okay, for that we are going to upload our file. Before uploading, first we have to zip our file, because any upload download file will be done here. Okay, done in zip. This is the best format. Okay. Okay, the zipping compression is done. So let me just open my Chrome. Okay, so this is my website, this is my website dot. Okay, let me go back from here. This is web tab. I will go to files. Okay, inside files, this is my site. Inside this my site, my source code is present, that is flaskapp.py. I will upload file from files here. Okay, just let me click upload files, and I will choose uh, desktop, then smart tools, the folder where I saved this zip. Okay, this is my zip, smart tools portfolio, whatever I have created. Double click on that. Look, this is uploading the file. Okay, just wait for some time, this will complete uploading. Okay, my file has been uploaded. Okay, now this is a zip file. So how we are going to extract the zip file? For that we have to open a bash here. Okay, open bash console here. Just click on open bash console here. Okay, so it will take some time to open the bash console. I think you know bash console. If not, this is a command line interpreter. So we are going to hit the command and it will execute the code. Okay. Why we are going to do this? Because we have a zip file inside this virtual environment. We are going to unzip that. So unzip the file name I have forgotten. Sorry. Unzip smarttunes underscore portfolio dot zip. Just let me smarttunes underscore portfolio dot zip. This may be different for you, because this is directly going to be the file name of your project. So my project is like this, so it takes smart tools underscore portfolio.zip. Let me hit enter. Okay, look, this is extracting all the files. Okay, it have extracted. So let me just go back. Hmm. If you can see here, our source file is app.py. Okay, but the virtual environment source code is flask app.py. Okay, inside flask app.py all the codes are written. Look at this inside. Let me just open flask app.py. This will be our main file from where our execution start. Okay, in our case we have created that file as app.py. So what we have to do is we have to just copy all the code of app.py. Okay, let me just open with Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I am just going to copy all the lines from here. Control A, Control C. I have copied all the line, and I am just going to paste it inside flask app.py. Okay, why we are doing this? Look, understand the thing. Flask underscore app.py is the app file of this virtual environment, whichever we have created. Okay, in our folder structure the main file is app.py. Okay, so we have to copy all the code of app.py and we have to paste it on flask app.py. These two files are same. Okay, I've saved the all the changes. Okay, so let me look what happened. After uploading the file, you should refresh the your web. Okay, you should refresh, reload your web page. So first reload the web page. This is reloading. Okay, reload done. Now you can open the link. Okay, look, our portfolio is live. Okay, so now you can just copy this link and share whom you want. Anyone can see your profile. Okay, so you can add this link to your CV for the recruiter to know you. You can add this to your LinkedIn so that recruiter can get connected you and have a good impression on you, and this will be your digital identity. I hope you enjoyed this course, this tutorials. If so, please hit like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you.